Are you tired of trying endless diets and exercise, plans to lose weight, only to gain it all back again? Look no further. We have the solution for you. Introducing the Healthy Lifestyle Plan, a proven method to help you lose weight and keep it off for good. The key to success lies in adopting a healthy lifestyle rather than resorting to quick fixes. It all begins with making smarter food choices. Say goodbye to processed foods, sugary snacks, and fast food. Instead, focus on incorporating a balanced diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. By nourishing your body with these nutritious foods, you'll be fueling it for optimal health. But a healthy lifestyle isn't just about what you eat. Exercise plays a vital role too. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's jogging, swimming, or dancing, and make it a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week to burn calories. And strengthen your body. Building a support network is also crucial. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also committed to a healthy lifestyle. Share your goals and challenges with them, and celebrate each other's victories along the way.
Remember, you're not
alone on this journey. In addition to food and exercise, it's important to prioritize self-care. Get enough sleep, manage stress levels, and practice mindfulness. When you take care of your mental and emotional well-being, it becomes easier to make healthy choices and maintain a positive mindset. Tracking your progress is another valuable tool on the Healthy Lifestyle Plan. Keep a food and exercise diary to stay accountable and identify areas where you can improve. Celebrate milestones and don't beat yourself up over slip-ups. We're all human, and it's all part of the process. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Sustainable weight loss takes time, effort, and consistency. Embrace the journey and focus on the long-term benefits of a healthy lifestyle. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, but also about improving your overall well-being. So if you're ready to ditch the fad diets and embrace a healthy lifestyle that will help you lose weight and keep it off, the Healthy Lifestyle Plan is your ticket to success. Start today and watch as the pounds melt away while you gain energy, confidence, and a happier life.